Hey guys, how's it going? How to check two-factor authentication on iPhone. So first of all, open up the settings. Tap on your name of the screen on the screen. Select password in security. Right? And then basically you gotta just wait it out for a few moments. And then check for the two-factor authentication. And as you can see right here, it's on. If it's enabled, you're gonna see the option listed here, right? And basically what you're gonna do, if it's not enabled, just turn on the two-factor authentication and follow the prompts. This ensures your Apple ID is secured with additional verification. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.